Why did the senior citizen buy the best mini trampoline? Because he wanted to bounce back from retirement. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best mini trampoline for seniors. Tip 1. Make safety a priority. When choosing a mini trampoline for seniors, safety should be your top consideration. It must have a sturdy frame that can withstand vigorous bouncing and a weight capacity that can handle the user's weight. It should also have a safety handle or bar to provide support and balance, and non-slip pads for added stability. Consider those with a protective padding covering the springs to prevent injuries. Tip 2. Check the mat material. The mat material should be durable and UV resistant, especially if the trampoline will be used outdoors. The best materials are polypropylene or nylon, which have excellent bounce and resistance to wear and tear. Seniors will be using the trampoline frequently, so it's best to ensure the mat can withstand regular use. Tip 3. Choose one with adjustable handlebars. Adjustable handlebars allow the user to control their bounce and maintain their balance. This feature is beneficial for seniors with mobility and balance issues, as this can provide extra support during the exercise. Tip 4. Consider the size. Mini trampolines come in various sizes. Though the compact size of a mini trampoline is an advantage, you should consider where it will be placed and how much space you have. Also, ponder the user's preference, as seniors may feel more comfortable with bigger models. Tip 5. Check the spring quality. The quality of springs plays a crucial role in providing a comfortable bounce. High-quality springs ensure a smoother, deeper bounce, which is easier on joints and perfect for seniors. Tip 6. Pick one with a high weight capacity. Apart from the sturdiness, a higher weight capacity means the trampoline can sustain more weight and last longer. This is advantageous for those seniors who are heavier or those who may want to enjoy the trampoline with their grandchildren. Tip 7. Consider the foldability of the trampoline. If the user travels frequently or has limited storage space, a trampoline that can be folded easily is a great choice. This feature makes it portable and effortless to store. Tip 8. Check the ease of assembly. It will be bothersome if the mini trampoline you purchase is complex to assemble. Look for one with simple instructions and installation process. Some models are pre-assembled, which save time and effort. Tip 9. Consider the warranty. A long warranty period means peace of mind. It demonstrates that the manufacturer is confident about the quality of their product. This ensures that you will get a replacement or repair if anything goes wrong with your mini trampoline. Tip 10. Read customer reviews. Customer reviews are a great way to get first-hand information about the product. You can learn about the user's experience and see if there are any common issues with the trampoline. Tip 11. Consider the price. The price range of mini trampolines can vary depending on their features, brand and quality. You don't have to spend a fortune to get a good one. Just make sure to weigh the trampoline's price against its features, quality and your budget. It's better to invest in a slightly expensive model that's durable and provides a safer bounce, rather than going for a cheap one that doesn't last.